VPL Gusset Bra tutorial for Yabbey. My name's Elise, I'm your instructor, so you'll need printed PDF pattern, scissors and tape for assembly, fabric, bra sliders, grosgrain ribbon, scissors, and fold over elastic. Before you begin, it's a good idea to test your stitches, and I recommend a stretch needle. Let's get started. Okay, so to make the bra strap, you take your short piece of grosgrain ribbon and you put it through the bottom part of your bra findings, and then I just zigzag that closed. And then for the long piece, you just hook it through the middle part. It can get a little bit confusing or easy to do it wrong. It has to be the middle part. So I just looped it through here and zigzagged it down. And then to put it together, here. So I looped it through the bottom like that. And over this part here. Okay, so then you have your adjustable bra sliders. We're going to pin these together, right side to right side, and just notice here that this side has a notch, or not a notch, it has a little straight line here, so that gets matched up over here like this. And whenever I'm pinning a curve, or pretty much anything, I always like to pin on one side, and then the other, and then meet in the middle so that you don't end up stretching it. Okay, so we're going to use a stretch stitch 3/8 of an inch in here, and then we're going to overloop it. So let's take it to the sewing machine. Okay, so I'm at the machine and I'm using a stretch stitch here. I'm using three little lines next to each other. I don't know if it's very well. We're just going to sew this at 3/8. So it should look like this. Now I'm going to hop over to my serger and this one here, right side up, I'm going to line it up at the top, and then I'm going to fold this up here, and I'm going to use clips here. I find my pins don't really go into fabric that's too thick. I guess we're just going to and pinning or clipping it all the way around. Sometimes I find it easier with pins, sometimes I find it easier with clips. You can use whatever you have. Right at the corner, it's going to be a little bit tricky. I think I'll do a close-up on sewing this when we get to the machine in a minute. You're going to have to kind of leave the needle in the fabric, and then we're going to have to set it the right way to around that corner. Stretch stitch I was using before. So we're going to start at this edge and sew down to this point here. Okay, so now we're going to fold this back here. So like that. Now we are sewing it on this side. Actually, so once we flip it out and realize that it's pretty good, we didn't like catch